Welcome back to Wine Down with Erica. Today we'll be making chicken gyros today. So let's get started. So right here we have our chicken and we're just going to cut it into slices, thinly slices. I'll show you a little one right quick. Just like this. My chicken's going to be just like this and my bell peppers is going to be just like that. And I want to cut it in half. So now they're like thinly slices. We're going to continue to do this with all our chicken. And then we're going to put it in our skillet. Let me show you one more. Sometimes, and then I don't want it to be that long, so I'll cut the chicken in half like that. And then I'll do my slices. Just like so. And then if you feel they are too thick, just cut it right in half like I did the first one. Like that. And that's just fine. Okay, so we're going to continue to do the rest. And then when we come back, we'll do the bell peppers and everything else. So I'm on my last piece of chicken that I just cut into thinly sliced pieces. And I'll tell you, this dish is fairly easy. You only need so many ingredients. I think maybe like 3. I have the pita bread, I have the bell peppers, and the chicken. And then the sauce that I'm going to make to put on top of the pita bread and then the chicken mixture and all that stuff. You don't need much. It's fairly easy and anybody can make this. And this is actually my first time making this. So I'm a little excited to make this. But once I get through cutting all this nicely yummy chicken, we're gonna get ready to make our sauce that will go onto the pita bread. And I'm going to drizzle it on top of the chicken afterwards. Now I'm just cutting the meat, as you can see. Slices. And now we're done. And now we're going to add in our seasonings. Okay? Okay, so I have my stove on medium heat. We're going to add our seasoning, which consists of black pepper. And basil, as you all know, my favorite. And I want to do Cajun seasoning. Now you may think, oh wow, that's a lot. No, because you want every piece of the chicken to be nice and coated with that yummy mixture. So now while we wait for this to cook, we're going to start on our sauce. And I added a little butter, give it a little flavor. Okay, let's start on our sauce. Okay, so for our sauce, we're going to start with ranch. I love making sauce with ranch. It's just some buttermilk ranch. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire. A little barbecue sauce. Chicken is looking so good. A little lemon juice. And then we're going to mix this together. And then I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. And this is what we're going to put on the pita bread, as well as drizzle on top of the chicken and all the mixtures when it's done. Look at that. It's so pretty. I just love these colors mixed together. Barbecue and ranch go so well together. Add a little lemon juice. Perfecto. Now let's get back to that chicken and see what the chicken looks like. Sauce is done. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. Now look at this chicken. It's getting all nice and cooked. Almost done. A couple more minutes and this chicken will be so ready. And we can fix the gyros. I'm so excited. Once this chicken gets ready, we're going to take our bell peppers and put it right in the same mixture and mix it all together. And we're going to take that mixture and put it on the pita bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. And this is what Boo Boo is gonna take to work for lunch today. I'm so excited. He's gonna love it. So now let's get our pita bread and all that stuff ready for the mixture. Alright, so now our chicken is done. So now we're going to take our bell pepper mixture, which is bell peppers and onions. There's different colors. It's yellow, red, and green bell peppers and onions. And we just put that into it. And you can go to the store and just get the bell peppers and cut them up. I just use the frozen ones in the frozen aisle. Very convenient. They do the same thing, taste the same. And now we just mix this together. And let our bell peppers get all nice and soft. Oh, this is going to be so good. I think I'm going to add some more bell peppers. Bell peppers are so good. Okay, that's enough. I love bell peppers. Boo Boo doesn't. Bummer.
Hell no, fuck that shit. That shit nice.
Alright, so now that we waiting for this to get cooked, now we're going to get our pita bread ready.
Pita bread.
Pita bread. So now we have the pita. I use whole wheat pita bread. So now we're going to take our sauce. Put it right over it. Just like that. And then we're going to take these that I chopped up. Tomatoes. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And now we're going to get the chicken mixture and put it right on top. So now we're going to add the chicken mixture.
Is none other than your very own two-time student body president, captain of Central High's All-Valley Track Team, president of the drama club, and the senior voted most likely to succeed. I gotta tell you folks, after 40 years as
and then
he is my favorite student.
I'm gonna add
I wish you were my
feta cheese.
He's every black.
And now let's add a little feta to this. A little feta cheese.
If I was in the white guy, it'd be you.
Alright. Now, I'm going to drizzle a little bit more of my sauce right on top.
I'll be able to tell the most beautiful golden boy. I'm talking about you, Morgan Johnson. And I love you.
Okay,
I love you,
and
James.
now
I do.
it's finished, so let's try it. Let's try
Now, one
this.
question for the graduating class of 1996. And that's, well, yeah! Check out my weird dick!
That's really good. Oh, wow. Stay tuned for next time with Wine Down with Erica. Bye.